Well, student, this session is based on how to use functions and its types in your spreadsheets. ओके, तो इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि स्प्रेडशीट में हम फंक्शंस या फंक्शंस के टाइप्स क्या होते हैं. ठीक है, तो बेटा इसमें मैं आज आप लोग को बताने जा रहा हूँ फंक्शंस क्या होता है और इसके डिफरेंट टाइप्स क्या होते हैं. ठीक है, तो नाउ यू कैन सी हियर दिस इज अ ब्लैंक स्प्रेडशीट in front of you, and in this session I am going to describe what is functions and what are the types of functions. So you can see here first here is the symbol of, you can see here is the symbol of function fx. Okay, from here you can also open different types of functions, and if you want to open functions in a manual way, then you just go to formula tab. Here you can see here is the formula tab. This is the formula tab. Click here. When you click here, you can see here insert functions, यानी अब आपको बोला जा रहा है कि functions आप insert कर सकते हैं. So you can see here edit the formula in the current cell by choosing functions and editing the arguments. मतलब कि जो सेल आप यहाँ पे, इसमें जो सेल आप सेलेक्ट करेंगे उस सेल में, ठीक है, जो फॉर्मूला आप यूज करना चाहते हैं उसको चूज करके आप उस पर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो ये हमारा फंक्शंस रहा. इंसर्ट फंक्शंस में हम जाएंगे तो हमने देखा कि सबसे पहले हमको दिख रहा है ऑटो सम फंक्शन. ऑटो सम, देन आफ्टर come here, this is financial functions which is also given in your book. This is the logical function, it is also given in your book. This is the text function, this is date and time function, this is lookup and reference function, this is math and trigonometry function, this is indicating more functions. ये तो हमारे बेसिक 11 जो बेसिक 11 फंक्शंस के टाइप्स हैं वो हमने बात किया. अब मोर फंक्शंस के बारे में बात करेंगे. तो दिस इज द मोर फंक्शंस. क्लिक हियर. Now you can see in more functions here statistical functions which consist probability, average, ranking and order, etc. Now you can see on second here after statistical there is engineering function. So you can see here there are a lot of engineering functions are also available in Excel sheet. And the more functions, the last function is information functions. What type of information function? Info, cell, these are the information functions. So these are the functions which one can use in his worksheet for calculating mathematical operations, results, etc. Okay, so this video is based on, this session is based on functions in spreadsheets. So you can see there are different type of functions, and you can utilize each and every functions on your cell, on your data when you have need. Okay student, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Good luck.